these days, but we still have to receive that payment and record it against the receivable. You can see why that adds another issue, even if you're doing electronic transfers, because I just can't record it to sales, which would be the easy thing to do. I have to make sure that it maps out and ties to the invoice, because I need to make sure that I'm tracking my subledger. And beyond that, it would be nice if the payment can be tied to a specific invoice, which is a step beyond what we can do in this kind of accounting system, double entry accounting system, that software is great at being able to do. We can track the payment to a particular invoice, tying that out. So we're going to say we receive payment on account, all right, of the 1,400. So same amount, we'll say it's the 1,400. So cash now is being received, but I'm not going to put it into the checking account. I'm going to put it into undeposited funds, which is often the workflow that you'll see in accounting systems. Now, if you invoice a client and you have an accounting system where they're going to pay you that exact amount in the future, possibly with an electronic transfer or something like that, then you can most likely just put it directly into the checking account, because that's the amount that will also match the bank statement, so that you can do bank reconciliations tying our books to the bank books. But